Hi guys and welcome to educational live trade video for the day. So today we have traded on Glenmark. Okay, so this was a short sell trade today. So I have short sold the stock in the morning around 1242 levels according to my study and the strategy. So we have traded without any indicators. So once I took the short sell entry, the stock has come down in a very quick movement in the morning itself, and it has given a target of my 6 to 7 points. Okay, so I've taken my exit and I have booked the target for the day. So this was the trade what I have done today according to my study and the strategy on Glenmark for the day. Okay, so the stock movement was very quick and we were able to achieve the target for the day within 15 minutes of the trading. So this was the entry what I made in the today morning around 9:20 a.m. Okay, so this was the today's trade, and also we'll be talking about Nifty 50 analysis and everything. So let's talk about all these things in detail. And before that, if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And also the course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about Nifty 50 movement for the day. So this is how the Nifty 50 has performed for the day. So the market has opened at 0.31% up, and the market today, it was a bit of a volatile. It has moved in both upside and downside, if you guys can see. So this is where the Nifty 50 opened for the day. So at the opening, the market has came down, and again the market has taken a support and it has gone up, and at the end of the day, the market has again come down and closed where it was open for the day. I mean, below that also it has closed. So the market has closed minus 0.18% down for the day. Okay, so this is why if you see the Glenmark stock, at the end of the day, the stock has come down even lower than the morning low what it has made, and it has touched a maximum low of 1228 for the day. But anyway, by following my discipline and my trade strategy, I have kept my target more than 0.5%, and I've took my profit and I've taken my exit. Okay, so if you guys want to learn all this concept of stock selection, how to make proper entry strategy and everything, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to learn from me about how you can be a consistent and profitable trader. And also, if you look at index, you can see that all the indices have performed more than above 1%. You can see most of the indices were volatile for the day. So we can see Nifty Reality is the most declining one for the day, minus 2.83% down. Nifty Consumer Durables minus 1.96% down, and Nifty Oil and Gas and Mid Small Healthcare has also declined. And the most gaining indices for the day is Nifty Bank and Nifty Financial Services. So these are the indices performance for the day, guys, and this is how the overall market has performed for the day for both up and down side. And this was the trade what I was able to do today. So if you guys want to learn from me, you can join us today and get daily live market support. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.